start. Come on. Yeah.
All right, follow your.
Now this one. I just made it worse. What? Oh, isn't it? Oh no.
Yeah. I think he's like the fourth one over, Drew. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that him right there?
Where?
Like right there. Like the fourth block over. Count 1, 2, 4 squares. He's in that fourth one.
Whoa. Oh man.
Here, you take it.
Yeah.
I see him. Oh, now he's way up there.
I'm trying not to record you putting it up. Oh
He's
man.
up there on top of the window thing.
That ain't good.
All right, we'll just leave the garage open.
All right.